Our nightly audience is 105,000 people, 1,600 cast members, 600 musicians, 800 technicians. Entertainment is what we do better than anyone in the world, not just in the cruise industry, but anywhere.
Working for Royal was a dream for me. I'm just proud of myself that I made it up to here. It's amazing. I love it.
To take what I've learned as an athlete in the competition scene and to put it into a performing art for Royal Caribbean has just been one of the most amazing experiences I've ever had in my life.
On this ship right now are some of the best musicians I've ever worked with. You get companies like Royal that offer up such an expansive musical program, it's hard not to just jump at it.
Royal Caribbean as a company are doing things I've never seen anybody do before as far as it comes to tech.
When it comes to drones and projection and aerial equipment, we are now pushing the various creators of this technology to the limits.
We continue to push the envelope and push the boundaries. We want to create the best entertainment on the planet.